What's up, everybody? So I'm back with a very unconventional video. We're going to be cleaning a shower today, and I'm going to do it in the only way I know to do it, possibly the manliest way. If you have a honey-do list like I do for this week, this shower is covered in soap scum. I've already worked on the other door. I just got to finish up the edges of that one, and then we're done. So the trick to this is not really a trick. I mean, anybody with common sense could figure this out. However, we are using a bottle of vinegar, not diluted, even though my wife told me to dilute it, not diluting it, because why would I? If it works so good, why dilute it? So basically all we're going to do is we're going to spray it on here, and then with our buffing pad and some polish, we're going to buff it out, because that's a lot faster than spraying it and scrubbing it. So here we go. And so we're just going to repeat that until we do the whole door. And we'll hit the hot spots as we need to, and if we don't need to, then great. Alright, let's check the progress so far. Whew. So all we're going to do, we're just going to shut the door, rinse it off, and then wipe it down. Clearly see where all has been buffed and where hasn't yet. I'm honestly surprised that it works that well. I think I just found a new way to clean the shower. Oh my god. This is amazing. I'm saving so much time. I have more time to do other shenanigans now. Alright, let's finish this up. We'll finish it it for this one. It's a little bit different. I apologize. But if you enjoyed, please sub, like, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. And I will see y'all in the next one. I have no idea what I'm doing next. Probably be another life hack. So I don't have to keep doing this. See y'all later. Bye.